Few days back, I came across this Mukhasuddhi 7 days ritual face yoga kit by Sutatva. Being an ardent organic product lover, I was super excited to try my hands on. Mukhasuddhi helps in balancing the usage of overworking and dormant muscles, preventing and minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin with Ayurvedic skin products, gone parabens and chemicals. This ritual replenishes natural oils that are meant to relax the facial muscles and firm the loose skin. It additionally reduces pigmentation, age-related spots, and sunburns. The combination of Ayurvedic wisdom and HA Gold helps in enhancing facial luminescence. The kit consists of Kaushiki steaming herbs, Nirmalya detox scrub, Mukra facial oil, orange peel scrub, Marjara almond oil, Kumkumadi uptan, Kumkumadi Tailam with hyaluronic acid gold, and Kakranga, the steam distilled rose water.
I have been following this ritual for the last 5 days and of course, I can notice a little glow. But in order to gain the maximum benefit of these products, you have to follow this ritual for 7 days or more regularly.
So if you too are a fan of Ayurvedic products like me, give this Mukhasuddhi 7 days ritual face yoga kit a try. And I believe you won't be disappointed. Lots of love. See ya.